Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel English Superstars. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. In my previous video, we talked about CV and resume. What is a CV and what is the difference between the two? Today, we are going to go through some of the formats of writing a CV, simplified version, where you write your full name on the top, then give the heading address, full address, mobile, email, date of birth, nationality, birthplace, marital status, single or married. This is the simplest format. It looks professional if you if you insert a box. Then, education. We start with the most recent degree. For example, MS Literature, Kamal University, Rawalpindi campus, or you can say Namru, Rawalpindi campus, or Islamabad campus. Rawalpindi, Pakistan, 2020 till continued. Right now, MS Literature is going on. Here, Preston University, Bachelor's in English, Islamabad, here. Punjab College, FSC, here. Sadiq Public School, Matriculation, Rawalpindi, Pakistan. So this is educational background, academic as well. Now you can see work experience is coming on page number 2. Frobels, Administrative Coordinator or Subject Coordinator English, 2019 till continued. Then before that, Silverox. Before that, Apex Education System. Before that, Telemax Technologies. Here, you can see this is all just experience. In the experience, we are also adding the city and the year. Alright. Now, after that, we have voluntary work experience. Now, helped as an associate for organizing seminars in the university, took part in many sports weeks events in the university, helped technologies as a content writer, arranged online training sessions for another school, organized stalls for open day in Apex Education System, or you can write anything. Arranged a green walk in my own university, so you can write the name of your university. Then tutoring. Now remember, home tuitions are not considered to be a part of experience. This is a separate point here, okay? Taught English to my juniors of high school for about a month. Teach all subjects to primary students at home. So this is like the tuition that we did. Now interest, enjoying reading and analyzing short stories, novels, autobiographies of famous people. Enjoy writing contents of works of interest and so on. And then we have 2 languages. Now this is the most simplest kind of CV right in front. Now this is another version. On the left side, you paste your picture here, professional picture. You write your full name, age, full CNIC, address, phone number, and email ID on these sides. You have to give it here, okay? Then again, educational record. Now in educational record, here you're going to write the name of the universities or the colleges. And then on the right side, you're going to write the cities and the years. When was it done and from where? Then you have professional qualification, which also means any kind of MA, BA for those who want to seek job for the government organization, right? Or for the government itself. Here you can see MA done in this year and BA done in this year. Then you go down, areas of expertise. Now this is also called skills and competencies. Strong interpersonal skills, strong communication skills, detailed researchers, and so on. Then when you move next, it's experience. Experience means professional experience. Now till now means this is the most latest one from 2016 till now. Headmistress, here you're going to write the name of school, college or university. Then responsibilities, this is also optional. Administration, advisor, counselor, appointing means the one who appoints teachers, training, planning, managing and so on. And in the same manner, just like going backwards, now the year from 2015 to 16. Then from 1990 to 2015 means the same organization for so long. Here you're going to write the name of that school or college. And then again responsibilities. What were you doing there? Then other experiences. Organizing seminars in universities, organize book fair in school, green walk in university and so on. Even here, organize Quran, Khani and Naat competitions. Here you can write in your own school, in your university. And then language proficiency. Here people write English, Urdu, Punjabi, any other language that you are an expert, which is an advanced format. For example, the name of the candidate is Zahra Batul. So here she'll write her full name and here picture. Picture is again optional. Okay. Then side by side, on just one page, you're having work experience and academic background. And on the left side, you're having profile summary, career objectives, and you're having skills and competencies and contact information. Can you see that? Here we are starting with Army Public School, means the current one. And then here it's also written subject coordinator and English teacher. Then Sadiq Public School, then again for which years it's written here, and classes as well. Lucky Star Academy 2015 till 2016. And then content writer, you can write the firms. After that, academic background. Rifa International University MS, year is mentioned. Islamic University BS, year is mentioned. Sir Syed College for Women, whatever you have done, ICS, ICOM, you'll write here and then year. And then matriculation from which school, you'll write that. Then we have profile summary. Charismatic and dependable academic coordinator with years of experience delivering the educational assistance and instructions to various levels. It's like a small summary, small introduction of yourself. You can give the heading of profile summary and then write it. Then career objectives. What do they include? Literature graduate brings highly developed communication, critical thinking, presentation, and computer skills from interactions at workplaces. Ability to learn quickly on the job and brings an energetic can-do approach to work. Now look at the skills. Verbal and written communication skills, technical skill, analytical skills, advanced composition, fluent in English language, proficiency in MS Word, and so on. Then again your number, email, and address. That's all. These are the three formats. First one was the simplest one, then a little advanced, and this is the most advanced one right in front of you. I hope you enjoyed watching the videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Take care. Allah Hafiz.